Flip the device over. Remove 12 6mm screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest, and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Next, peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the touchpad cable from the touchpad. Remove 4 2mm screws from the touchpad. Lift the palm rest partway up and pop the touchpad free. Remove 1 3.5mm screw from the daughterboard and 2 3.5mm screws from the hinge. Flip open the locking clips and unplug the daughterboard from the motherboard. Pry the hinge up. Remove the daughterboard. And unplug the last cable from the motherboard. Remove 1 2mm screw from the Wi-Fi card. Unplug the Wi-Fi card from the motherboard and twist it to pop the antenna cables free. Lift up the speakers and unwind the cable from the guiding paths. And unplug the speakers from the motherboard. Remove 4 3.5mm screws from the motherboard and 1 3.5mm screw from the hinge. Peel back the tape. Pull back the locking clip and unplug the palm rest cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the LCD cable from the motherboard. Pry up the hinge and remove the motherboard. Place your fingers on the hinges and gently wiggle the palmrest free from the LCD assembly. Place your fingers on the hinges and gently wiggle the palmrest free from the LCD assembly. To remove the bezel, first use a spudger to crack the hinge covers free. Then gently insert the opener pick between the bezel and the back cover and slide along the edges to pop the bezel free. Remove 4 3mm screws from the LCD panel. Flip the panel over, peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable from the LCD panel. Remove 6 3mm screws from the hinges. Unseat the LCD cable from the guiding paths. Peel back the tape and unplug the LCD cable from the microphone. Then unplug the LCD cable from the camera. Gently lift up to pop the microphone free. Gently insert the spudger underneath the camera and pry the camera free from the adhesive. Take care not to use too much force as the camera can easily bend or break.